It's like the other day with the award show in Canada, where people had misled and dragged poor Miss Princess, think that it was Miss Princess. It's another lady, I don't want to call her name because the lady said, no, let her serious woman that the lady lives in Canada, but the lady have a lot of contacts. The lady have even let Tina, she had get one. Now, the lady was gonna get, Tina was gonna get a lot of opportunity, people, let me tell you. And I was like, okay. Only to know, say, you're gonna get an award or cook at an award ceremony to bake and so, but you're there on live, a tear down Dana. Well, the lady said, so she can't even call the people them name. She not going to Canada again. She not get no Marriott cupcake. She not get nothing. She not get nothing. She not getting anything again. And when people look upon it and see because of your mouth and bad mind. So Tina, you are the old me keep on telling you. Tina and Marcia, me don't know what happened to them. Them are the only two persons me see them use them mouth and tear down people business, them own business, trying to tear down people business. Why you can't sleep in your bed at night time? What, Tina, what kind of wickedness your mother do? Cause this look like a general. What kind of wickedness your mama and your papa do? Oh, you're so cantankerous. You make Satan look bad. She not going to know Canada again. She can't talk about it. She can't. Yeah, she talk about it. She never dare talk about it. I only Dana wanna play with Tina, you know. I only Dana one down there play with Tina. Remember me tell you. I only Chris and Dana play with Tina. You think they have people who think them. Let me tell you something. The woman where did I go help Tina and no dibby woman straight season this she can't talk about it. She can't call the woman name. She can't me say it's only Dana one playing with Tina. And Chris, nobody else now play with her. It was revoked from from out in November coming down to December. It was revoked. She not going, you know, she not talk about it and she cannot talk about it. She cannot mention the person them name. She cannot all of the something them what did she forget? Fi go and marry at fi make this and make that. All of them they clothes. And you know white clothes people? All because Tina with her enough self go try to tear down people award and go write about Dana. So you see you try to put down Dana still have her visa from Canada. The award show still a go on. Government still give Miss Princess again. All because of your wicked evil ways. And you get the shit because let me tell you something. That lady there was gonna open a big way for Tina. When me tell her said Tina was going cause she did one already. She did one something already for the people them. She was going to get a lot. When me tell her say a lot of opportunity. But because of her mischievous finger, when she write every time when she write one tear down, let me tell her something. And every time you have to play with people because you wanted to tear down Miss Princess award show. Remember the lady for the award, she there Canada too. And that's why she can't call nobody name. And me I tell her no. Me, I tell her no, she lose a lot of, and me, I tell her the opportunities was there. If me tell her no something, I saw it go. She da go cook for a lot of play. When you hear she used to come out here and something, but now she not go Canada again. He not get nothing again. He can't call the people them name. All because she gonna make mischief. I try tear down another whoop's black sister. She can't blame nobody but herself. Tina can't blame nobody but herself, because let me tell you something. When it was reached to the woman that she tried to do, remember, how can you remember? You tried to tear down one black sister with her award show, but you want to take her award. You are trying to tear down one black sister, but you want to take her award. You want to go to Canada. So when the people them hear that, no, and then a lot of opportunity that what I tell us, the people them have contact. Because sometimes we see people and we don't know who them be. Remember, I tell you that. And not everybody where you see people and you don't know who them be. So you're blessing because of your mischievous ways and your bad mind. So when it's time, me I wait till she coming out. Me I wait Pantina because 2 minutes and when me tell you say me know a Tory. Remember the same thing with Curly and Winter. When me tell you say me know a Tory, me know a Tory. You see, any day name day, Tina ever, Marian Walters ever think she bad and out her big dirty drawers and come out here and say, I know nobody make she not go to Canada. May I come right out here for my life. People can tell you the story. I don't know when me come with a story worse when me I call people name and I tell no lie. Because me will not tell no lie because I say me no want the woman sue me. Because in a carousel, yeah, she now have it, all she have to do, I come over here and pay her lie and go back to her country. So therefore, me will be very careful because when me I go come with proof. Any day I will not tell you the story what transpired with Tina and the award, but any day and it will be eyes and mouth opening fire. Any day Tina come out and decide she miserable now because she lose a lot of opportunity. When me tell them say Tina lose people. When me tell you say Tina lose, and me tell you say she lose a lot of opportunity. 2024 was to be actually from now was to be a great year for Tina. And me I tell you no. But because of her nasty, bad mind, corrupted ways, she lost it. So if she come out now and try to blame nobody, me I go talk about the Tory go. I want to know when me come with Tory, a facts me I come with, because me I come with proof. Them time the people name will be called. Me I wait pan. She miserable now, you know. Because of that, when me tell her say Tina lose big time. Tina lose opportunity. Tina lose big time. And Tina can't talk about it. Tina can't call the people them name, because me tell her something say, them ya people ya are no dibby people. Them ya people ya no can't eat with them brand. Them ya people ya no can't eat with them brand. Big people involved in this. Big hotel chain involved in this. Big airline involved in this. As I tell you now, this lady was going to open opportunity, have the gate open for her. But because of her bad mind ways, that when she sit down and do what she feel like, so when she do her life and delete it, but people are screen record it. She tried to do that. She tried to destroy Donna and another person. She tried to do that, but she fall right on her own sword, and she dig grave and never know. But I'm telling you, if me tell you no say that girl they did that, me say that girl she fool. Because of her mischievous ways, and you don't know who. She don't know who. And let me tell you something. You say over Canada, them live united over there, so. The Jamaican them over there, once them do business that you try to tear down one, you try to tear down all. And that's what you didn't know. You should dig a pit for Dana and another individual, and she drop right into it. And I tell you, say, the girl that go big, me can't tell you. If me tell you something, I saw it come and I tell you lie. But because, and that's why Tina miserable so, but Tina can't come out here and call no name. So everybody knows say Adana I be punching bag whenever time you have some people yet went and not them punch you and then take the key and drive out. So I hit though, but it's not about Dana and KXC, it's about an opportunity them because she with her nasty ways come Tina me and wait for you. Come ready for talk. Yeah, I shouldn't even not tell you this. You know, you draw me out for talk Itoria. I not talk Itoria, you know. Because I not talk that Itoria yet, no, sir. Such woman frightened. Such woman frightened no backside. You see, already I say such woman I got doing test. Cause such woman never know say such woman got congratulate. Remember say such woman, poor such woman, she's not a war but such woman go congratulate her. Look like you can read code so me can talk. Such woman can congratulate her. So when when the one we are gonna give the award now, and the one we are gonna give the award make such woman know that one they look like she a detective like myself. Make such woman know because say I beg how you gonna know is a recommendation, you know. So when the woman do her investigation, the woman do her investigation because what happened, you know? It start by this. Let me tell you one little piece of the story. It start by the baked products, and through the woman have a lot of things there. I saw the story start. The baked things and so then now with the talking she asks why she don't get an award and this, and she mentioned such woman name. So the lady say, alright then, since you're gonna do and so, you know, if you promote more, you give her an award. But it look like say the one for the award now look like say she had to fear research. When the woman go, cause as she the one for the award, I saw everything now, you know. The one for the award find out now say she did write letter. I try tear down this one year award show and see such woman award show, and I saw the woman sending one season this is. The woman sending one season this is. And member in care all of the sitting them when did forget where you hear that come out you come both in now get them against her. That mad him now he lose everything. He lose the bandizan, the airplane, the this market, the hotel them, and he nah get no award again because he need well one go over there because to say what to tell you say because to say one thing you look at the woman them over Canada they powerful. You see she could have go to Canada because all that me investigate because guess what? You see true bad to bad, she come from she was catch and a British, then them catch her America. She was catch and a British British Virgin Island territory. So seriously, when me know you me telling you something, any me I wait for Tina. Any Tina come out here and tell her like me, I come out here and talk a story like how it goes. Since when me know a story, me know the whole story about this award thing. I me know the story from A to Z. Me know when Tina get the letter, don't talk about it. Me say the way the people there. Tina, me say people. The way the people them get bitter against Tina. Cause the woman that try to be like, I'm say, people, when me say in get a see in that evil can't talk, then season this is him. He can't talk about the award, he can't call the woman name, he can't promote it. Me say not even promote, me say. Then the woman that will live in Canada, Canadian, Jamaican, them then live united because to say, you feel when you did come out, you're not here down there, the award, you and go write letter. You never know, so the other one, the one that look like she a detective because I say, Tina, that was a trap. Then set a rat trap for you. That was a trap. A trap. Because when you feel like, remember you come out and boast. The woman did not do an investigation. And when the woman, remember say no, such woman award you before the woman, you know. And when you feel like say, well, you never remember say you tear down such woman. That's why I tell you no say. See, anytime you see me give you a little hint. Anytime you see 13, no care how bad it is, and no notice say 13 never come out, come argue with such a man. Because say 13 know what was going on. So when you see such a man did go over there, you don't say nothing. When you see such a man did go over there, all I know what they did, I no feelings. You no keep quiet. Sometime you have to join them to beat them. You ever hear that word there? I tell you, say sometime you don't even know you see 13 and 30, you don't know where me dey. You have to join people to beat them. And if you don't know the game, you cannot win the game. Yeah? You have to study the game to understand the game. So, take that from me. So, when you hear such a man and same thing, such a man know what such a man was doing. Yeah, me tell you, such a man know what such a man was doing. Sometimes you have to go on a mission. Yeah. You understand? Because when somebody come and play a pity part, you got to know. I say respect to the woman for the award show. That me like that woman there. You have to play games, man. Yeah. Somebody will come to you and I tell you this and tell you that. You have to find out a white troublemaker. You have to set a rat trap. And she set the trap and she can you feel like say you could have bright yourself and go write award and go write this and go write that. You think a Jerry and never think that this I'll right over Canada you touch. You never hear you want know who the woman for the award she was married to. Hey, wrong set of people them that you play. Then the people that will stay from Canada and go out here right over America there. Karma is real. I never say Tina and Curly teach me something in her life. How can you use your mouth to tear down your own business? Me know a lot nasty stinking Tina. Me know a long time, but me say the way the Tina curse when the people well, this is why you know, lady in Canada, you can't sue me say lady in Canada, and I know you wanna do the award show, so you can't sue me, and you can't send Caesar this is come give me. Me say, I don't know, me know who exactly lead you to Tina. Yeah, me know who exactly lead you to Tina, that old dirty vampire there. Lady, me say, me glad you find out though. Lady got investigate the lady frightened. Lady said no, me know why you promote Tina. The woman don't even why you promote nothing for her. You're not going to Canada, nobody don't want you over there. Nothing, you're not get no more cake. You make one set and that was it. Every door closed for you, bitch you. You that try close down a door them. You that try close them. If you think you're bad, go put up nothing over same so TV about me today, because so she stay anytime at all. Nobody talk her truth. She run go over same so TV, make her come out and come talk a story. When me done talk the story, I mean the woman I go come sue, but me no care cause I no lie me a tell. So I no lie me a tell so she can't sue me. Me only a make sure so me not tear down her brand. Me a come out here and talk, call the woman name and talk the story. Me no ask nobody no question that people care, people business come tell me so me feel for talking, me I go be like that I go. If you want me fridge door, me can't keep a secret you know. Long if you want. But if you want me fridge door pop off in the festive season, yeah, we make Facebook festive because say anytime at all you open the woman eye when you go talk about said because the woman I give you opportunity to be the dirty kid them because you lied hypocritical friend. You lied hypocritical friend. No say the cake them don't taste good. And talk say cake taste and after the woman sorry for you. Cause people are tear down your brand because you got a prisoner sitting on that. As a woman to woman when you say yeah them just like such woman no did in the world when such woman did in the world beat up enough girl of Canada got jail much time and enough a thief. Such woman realize such woman say you know I may have my kids them but such woman was one so me see how no ramp with such woman you know you're not afraid for God Canada. Nobody go back over the kaifal. Such a man never catch you. Such a man I go put on her Bible. You such a man root say and go on. Remember, such a man and up woman for play with such a man knock up enough girl. Such woman knock up when such woman and knock up girls. So the same thing with the other woman for the award show too. No feel for everybody. No feel so. You see you love people business, you fat me and you must some generation, you fast like a me. You should say you see all the day when me hear the story, you should hear me. Me not talking now. Me say that day when me hear the story. You hear me? You see how me ears close. Me say that day me listen to the story. When I tell them I say yeah, me say yes. Me say you fast enough like me. Me say that day when me I get the story, I say alright. I can put it down here so in an archive. That's if in case she bright herself. Cause that's how you know then tour, you know, just dash out everything, you know, you take it easy. So me I come now for game a little inch right tonight time I say. Me know say you nah got the award and me know what make him a go on. So the cake and the sitting them because any owing come out you can try tell a lie and say nobody no care your name. The woman did give you opportunity to bake a ceremony, bake because she hears so you sinting them and the one over there so when they give the fat because the woman a try to build you know. Build the woman a try to build you know. Woman we go through it when know about it when they in the world we have a brand and I try to build our black sister. And when the woman see one of the other people then worst of all when the woman see say you are try tear down. Remember see a such woman make the award show first and I try touch them Canadian people them not play. Me say Canadian woman them not play. You see how quick I make me tell you something. You know you can't play with that woman there. Because that woman the husband no normal and no badness to run it. High society people them. And if you feel like you want them come down to your level, cause then the girl will box you like Jackie Chan and not care. Don't feel so them militant both ways dirty Tina. Them in a them high society with them husband and them picnic them a work there so and them picnic them there the work there so but then did in the world where they can't fight and guess what Tina no plastic no in a them girl there cause all such woman as much as such woman in a fear health crisis you know Tina you see if such woman ever catch you. You see, if such woman ever catch you, she tear you up like how that pet bull tear up newspaper. If you try mash up in award show. Such woman not play, you know. Such woman not play. And that me I tell you. Not because no might see such a man now, no can drag such a man I want chad. Such a man we knock you up. I remember pay plastic in a yo. Such a man we knock you up and no look dibby woman them le. So don't try it. I know to look like you're watching news about the lady because you can't come out, you only can't come out no wanna try ball. You only can't come out no wanna try ball. And I try to make it look, but you're apart because of your bad mind ways. And look what you do. You know how much places you get to make cake and cupcake for? On a serious level. You don't know who you play with. You don't know. All because of your wicked and evil ways. And you have tried, not even the hour you can't say nothing. The people that don't have nothing to deal with you. No one have nothing to do with them. Scan you. The woman did not try to bill you, but scan you, you sick, drunk stomach. Make you come out here, come bright yourself, and make me come out here, come talk a story. Me only give the people them a hint. I think I want somebody upon you like she enough like me. She enough. Like she kind of pick up the story. A bits and pieces. But if you bright yourself and try to either come out here, come tell lie and say, me I wait for you know. Any day you come out here, come say people make you not go, me go come out and say no, I'm gonna talk the story right by you and don't care. I'm sure no say you know want nobody know cause when me ball out the place them what you did for make cupcake for. And ball out how such a man, not such a man, the award woman, cause you have such a man and you have the award woman. The award woman lock the gate in your face. The award woman lock the gate right in your dirty face. Yeah? The award woman lock the gate in your face. You're all drunk, you're too bad mind. One go make scam, when you don't come out, I feel, you know what I feel, say award woman you want cuss? When you come out here at the award woman you want cuss. Yeah? But you think so me don't know nothing about it. You never know me know about it. Me know the story. Me know the story and on the door make me carry the story come out, yeah. If you not hear the key in it for the story in a year, Antina. If you come out you can try tell no lie, me go come out and talk the story.